Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy A overall conditions. Okay, here is the battery compartment. We need to use a coin or something, stuff like this to open it. Okay, we're done. Okay. And it using two CR123A battery. Then we just put accordingly. Here we got a sign, which is positive, and another one is negative. After that, pressing it to lock it like that. Close it. Okay. Next thing, by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And here's a film. About the film, we need to slide from the top to the bottom to make sure that the motor have fit into the center part of the film. Press it in, yeah, see. Then the film tip, put under here, will do. And then we just close it, and it will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that now we can start shooting. And by pressing here to on it, yeah. Here's a zoom button, zoom in and zoom out. Here's a shutter button, and here's a viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, at the center point here, got a bracket, so you just use that bracket to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it's blinking like this, which means that it can't focus. So you see, if I press the shutter, it also no function. So I need to slightly adjust a bit. Okay, like that means it's okay, and just click it. Yeah. And next thing, here is the flash setting. Well, I recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Like that means that it's fully auto. Like that means it's force flash. Then this one is off the flash. This one is flash with night mode, and this is auto. Okay, and here's the macro mode, and during the macro mode it will auto zoom to the max, so you can have a closer shot. But honestly to say, it doesn't have any big difference compared to the normal one. Yeah, and it really hard to focus about this mode. Yeah, so I just refuse to use it. Yes. Yeah, and for a bit. Okay, yeah. Then next, here is the timer. Okay, timer is also same. Aim to the object you want to shoot, half press. If it doesn't blink, click it. Wait, and click it. Okay. When here start blinking, which means that now the timer is start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. When it's almost there, it will start blinking faster like this. Yeah. Okay. And click again to off it. So the overall actually is just like this. And the next one is about the cross date function, the date imprinting or the caption. It got an English caption, which is like, I love you, Happy New Year, congratulations, happy birthday, like that. Yeah. So it's just like E1, E2, English 1, English 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. And if you don't want, you just want for the date, then just click the date. Yeah. About the date, if you want to like adjust it, it's quite easy also. You click the select button, start blinking. Now the format is like the year, month, date lah. Okay, then we just adjust the year, see whether it until 2025 or not. Yep. And click select again to skip to the next one. This one is the month. Okay, and this is the date. Like that. Wow, if you want to change the format, you just click the date again. This one is the month, date, year. This one is the date, month, year, and date and the time. The time, if you want to adjust, you also can click here lah. Okay, so the overall is like this. And here, the bottom here got a panorama mode. If you switch it, it will become narrow. Yeah, like that. And actually it's just cropping it lah, so I think you can just ignore it. Will do lah. Okay, so the overall is like this, and if you didn't use it, off it will do like that. Yeah, so hope you enjoyed.